This here is our new project, a 2003 Mercedes SL350. Now I've had this car for a few days now and I've done a few minor things to it, from fuel injector cleaning. Either I can try, let me and a computer scan I wish I never did. Here's why. Please feel free to pause the video at any moment with all these codes running through your screen. After many suggestions and advices from the Mercedes community to just call it quits and scrap the car, I'm going to ignore these advices, even though I have no idea what I'm doing, and just go in head first. Now let's take a look at the damages. Damaged, damaged, broken, damaged, damaged, scuff, missing, broken. The windows won't close. A really bad gap. Best of all, the roof won't close. Ugh. Damaged, broken, torn, damaged, busted, broken, broken, damaged, 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 broken, broken, damaged. Now, while purchasing the car, the trunk didn't open, and I have no idea what's going on in the trunk. So in this video, I'm going to try and open the trunk and see what's going on in there. Hopefully something good. That was actually easier than I expected. The owner told me that the trunk didn't open, but all I had to do was just use the key. But now that it's open, I'm going to try and get rid of all the things that are inside the trunk and free it up and see what's going on. And now that the trunk is open, we can see that the hydraulics aren't working, as I had to use a plank to hold it in place. Now right here we have our first item. This is a tail light that I think was broken and they managed to change it. Then we are moving on to a tire. There's a tire in the trunk, but as you can see, I'm looking over to the right and I have noticed something. And oh my, it is not looking good. So let me just take out the tire right now and we'll have a look at it. Things are not looking good, guys. Right, guys, it's not looking good. It appears this car has been in an accident. Fire accident. And burnt marks. No, I don't know what was here. I'm gonna have to do research on this. But I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take out all of these, take a picture and go and see what the original one looks like and compare, because there should probably be something missing here, but I'm unsure. Wire is a cut, and I just noticed something that is rust forming. This is the worst purchase. Okay, so everything seems to be intact. Maybe this is just rust forming on the top. Yeah, this is probably rust forming at the top. This is all dust and debris. All right, let me start taking out all these panels and see what I can do.
Now at this point, the previous owner just took everything that was related to the car and just threw in the trunk. Because at this point, I was finding things in the trunk that weren't supposed to be there. And I myself have no idea where they're supposed to go. But anyways, keep watching.
Now, I've removed all the panels, stripped them out except for this one right here, because it does seem like a headache to take it out, because that's where the fuel tank is. Now, I'm shocked this car did not burst into flames, because the fire did start right around here. And as you can see behind there, that's the fuel line going into the fuel tank, which is crazy. This car could have exploded. Now, right here, as you can see, we have the hydraulic lines and the vacuum lines for the PSE. And either they're burnt or someone just cut them out, which is very weird and odd. But as you can see right here, this is where they connect to, so at least we have a connection. And here we have the hydraulic pump. This, as you can see, the hydraulic pump is empty, so most of the liquid just spilled out. Yeah, I mean, you can expect it if the lines are, tapped. Can't see anything. But I think whenever we would try to use the Vario roof to open it, most of the liquid will just come from the trunk, from the hydraulic, and just spill out, which is, that's where all that liquid at the bottom. Now, I know I didn't show much about the engine of this car because there's really not much going on into the engine. It's just really dirty, as you can see. But we do have a few problems here and there, like leaking oil. But I mean, all in all, the car does seem to be fine. The engine does look to be good. We just need to do a little bit of detailing and just, just clean it up. That's all. That's all we can do, honestly. Now, this car is in shambles because apparently even the oil cap is missing. This is something I have to purchase. Now I'm looking into it, but in the meantime, I just put tape on it there just so that I can secure it and no debris goes into the oil. And when I was telling you about the oil leaking, you can see right here, I think the gaskets are leaking. So we might have to do a change on that, which is something I'm really looking forward to. I've never done it, by the way. So yeah, that's a first. But anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be doing a series with this car, and most of the things I have no idea what I'm doing. So when they put those noobs plays the game for the first time, this is me playing this game for the first time, having no idea what the hell I'm doing. But hopefully I'll have the support from you guys and the help from you guys. But anyways, see you next time. Peace out.